Atlanta news first. Plus, starts now with the First Alert Weather Day.
Hello there, everybody. I'm First Alert meteorologist Rodney Harris. Tracking a First Alert weather day that we have in place for Tuesday, not today, but Tuesday, with showers and storms that will be impacting all of us in North Georgia. So I want to make sure you're prepared for that, as we know that Tuesday is a big travel day for you. So I'm going to get right to our high-resolution forecast model. This is for tomorrow. Again, today is going to be fine. It'll be a day where you're going to notice an increase in cloud cover, but it will stay dry with temperatures in the 70s this afternoon. So Tuesday morning, we may have some showers out there as you're driving to work. As you can see, that's at 7 a.m. Then I'm forecasting some actual rain to move into Metro Atlanta, maybe even some storms by 9, 10 o'clock. So mid-morning, we'll see our first round of showers and storms on Tuesday. And it won't rain every single second of the day tomorrow, but there will be multiple waves. So we think we'll get another wave in the afternoon, possibly as you're driving home from work, and then again on Tuesday night. So with Tuesday being a travel day, I just want to say that at this point, it looks like we'll have rain in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. So if you're traveling, just plan accordingly. You might be slowed down by those showers and storms that'll be out there. Speaking of which, that's the timing. I do want to take you into Wednesday as well, because by Wednesday morning, the system is going to mostly be moving out. We kept a 20% chance of a shower or two in your forecast before lunch Wednesday, but even that is looking very low end. In fact, we may have to drop that to more like a 10% chance. So bottom line is Wednesday will be a good travel day, and after lunchtime, you'll actually see mostly sunny skies. So this is setting up to really be a Tuesday event. Speaking of which, these are the threats we'll be looking at on Tuesday. Everybody's going to see rain at some point. There will be some occasional lightning out there, so watch out for that, particularly in the afternoon and evening. And with this particular event, we actually have a low end risk of severe storms. It's low, but not impossible. So our parameters will be in place as a cold front is moving through, particularly Tuesday afternoon and then Tuesday evening for an isolated severe storm, some damaging winds possible. What will end up happening in situations like this, if we get enough rain in the morning, that may help to limit our severe potential in the afternoon, because rain helps to stabilize the air. So we have what I call a conditional severe weather risk, which means that it's not for certain that we'll see a severe storm. We'll just have to sort of see how Tuesday morning plays out to determine what we'd expect Tuesday afternoon. But if there were to be a severe storm, it'd be more Tuesday afternoon or Tuesday evening. Again, that risk is very low as it stands, but that's something we'll be watching for you. And then, because we're forecasting multiple rounds of rain by like the second half of Tuesday, particularly for your commute, you may run into some isolated street flooding. I don't think that'll be widespread across North Georgia, but every time we get quite a bit of rain, heavy rain in Metro Atlanta, especially on the interstates, not impossible to see some brief flooding, so that'll be possible as well. It's not the greatest day to have showers and storms out there, but that is why Tuesday is a first alert weather day. So again, plan accordingly. Now for today, we're up to 73 degrees. No worries whatsoever today. That first alert weather day is for Tuesday. By Wednesday, we have a 20% chance. Again, that's before lunch on Wednesday, and it's like for a tiny little shower or two. I don't think Wednesday is going to be a big deal at all. I think that's going to be a good travel day. 67 is your high. And then by Thanksgiving, it's cold. 37 on Thursday morning, 53 on Thursday afternoon. Now remember, this past weekend, it was 82 degrees on Saturday, record heat. So very big difference by the end of the week. You will need those jackets and coats if you're going to be out there with the turkeys on Thanksgiving Day. For Friday, even colder, 31 Friday morning if you're headed out to do any Black Friday shopping, and only up to 49 degrees Friday afternoon. For the weekend, first part of your weekend looks good, 54 degrees on Saturday. By Sunday, we do have a 40% chance of rain in your forecast. So we'll keep you up to date, particularly on Tuesday's weather. We know that'll be a big deal for everybody, but your entire First Alert team, we're here. We'll be tracking it for you. We will have more on Atlanta News First at noon, and updated forecast then. And of course, you can always find your forecast in the First Alert weather app. Until next time, we'll see you soon.